Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, 23rd of May 24. I couldn't get time to analyze the pre-market, so I'm gonna analyze the post-market. So just before we go to the daily and higher time frame, so let's dig into what actually we were expecting. So we had some major news today. We had some PMI data for Germany and Europe, an unemployment claim in the US, and the Flash PMI data as well. So it's worth mentioning also we had the so the effect of the market. I've already put some on my chart so it can be seen. So what I had was so this is basically what happened today. So what I had in effect to support this zone, if price support this zone, I was expecting the price going higher, hopefully breaking this 30 minutes zone. But what I can see is like this sideways head and shoulder, so prices could come down if this is broken. I'm still biased on that to some extent, but if the price breaks above this and above this sort of this price and that price, that zone, I would say we could see prices going higher. So it's way off for now, but this is so on the 30 minutes we can see today we had a huge Asian range gap. So price didn't really reach the lower end of Asian range right away, so it tried to break above the Asian range high, as you can see here, but it failed to do so. So I had a bad trade here, which I will explain in a minute. So we actually tested this zone multiple times. On the 3 minutes we can see we actually tested it 4 times before we melted down to the Asian range low. So that's what actually happened. So my bias was if we come to this point, so if we break this zone, which is a 30 minutes zone, I'm long, but that's the ADR range, average daily range, and if we come down here sooner, I was long in here. But if we break the Asian range, if we did break the Asian range low, then I was gonna short, but TP not passing the ADR range. That was my first initial plan, but as you can see, it didn't really plan out. I thought this price was gonna break above, but it really faked out and supported on this within. So we had a good German PMI news, but that's one of the reasons I entered here. But market didn't see it as a positive news, even though it was fairly flat or on a positive side. And also we had a good unemployment claim in America. So, but again, that was a New York Open, so we had rejection again, and that was the 4th rejection, and then we came and tested the Asian range low. So so I had a trade here which I basically lost, and also the potential good trade would have been this one, where you can see price is given pattern A's here for a good entry. For a short, it could have been a lot more than, it could have been 4.5 hour, but 2 hour, that's what I'm aiming for. So that's the post market for today. So the days that I don't manage to get the pre-market, I'll try to do a post market. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed it. and please like the video. Thanks again.